Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how we can install Centos 7 in VirtualBox with very few steps. For that, first we need VirtualBox and then we need OVA file of Centos 7. I will show you complete steps. First of all, we have to go to our browser. For that, we have to simply just write Oracle VM VirtualBox and just hit the first website. Here we have to download and simply select your platform which are you using. I have already downloaded, so I will not download it. You have to download it. So after downloading, simply go to the folder where it is already downloaded, and here it is. So double click on it and it will be start installing this button and then next, and then just simple press the next and next. I have already installed this, so I will not install it now. So after that, do not worry, I will also provide the link of the VirtualBox in the description also. So after that, we have to also install Centos 7 if you have not downloaded, because this Centos 7 has very few steps to install. So simple write OVA Centos 7, and here it is. Just click the first link. So here we are. First you will see Centos 7.9 2009 minimal installation. Do not install this, because after installing this we will not be able to go to graphical desktop. So we will not download it, so we have to scroll down, and here it is. Here you can read graphical desktop installation. So simply we will download this VirtualBox image 2.2 GB. It will depend on your internet speed that how much time will be taken for this. We have to wait for 16 seconds. Till that, I can tell you that it is very easy to install this, because we do not need any partition or anything else. We just simply download this and then we have to install. And here we are. Just click on start download, and yeah, it will take some time based on your internet. As my internet speed is about 11 MB per second now, it will take some time. So I have already downloaded it, so I will not download it again. So you have to download it till end, and till now we can wait. So after downloading the file, you have to extract the file. Then you will see these two files. Just double click on this file and it will automatically go to the VirtualBox without any doing. Just you have to click on import button and just click on agree, and it will take a few minutes to get started. So let's wait for its completion. Found this, as you can see, Centos 7.9.2009. So we will not go to start. First we have to change some setting. Simple go to settings and go to networks and see if there is a bridge adapter. If you are internet, so you have to select net. Otherwise you can select bridge adapter. Internet, so I'm going to select net and then okay and simple start. Here you will see that we don't have to partition for installing the CentOS 7. It will simply install by just clicking start button. So here we are, and CentOS Linux have a simple hit the enter, and here you can see we are loading CentOS 7 in just 2 clicks. Here you can see we are CentOS operating system. Just hit the, as you know, password. So at this point, CentOS, CENTO, CentOS, and hit the sign in button, and you will be logged in. Yes. So you can see here we are. You can visit anything like here we are going to system tools and then terminal. Here you can run command, or you can also use as a graphical interface like we use like Windows. It is terminal and we can change password or something else there. So I will tell you that how we get one and how we can change this host name like Centos or Centos 7. Till then, goodbye, take care, and